call hydroponics, that is soilless farming. We have what we call aeroponics. People are now growing crops without even soil. So as a student, they may not teach you all these things in your university. They may not teach you all these things them. That is why you need to invest on yourself. One thing that will make you to succeed as a student studying agriculture in the higher institution is for you to have knowledge on your discipline. Agriculture is a practical based discipline that you have to have more knowledge about what you are doing. You are dealing with life. Agriculture has to do with life. It's either you are dealing with plants or you are dealing with animals. Now, for you to succeed as a student that is in the agricultural discipline, be you in the university, in the polytechnic, or in the college of agriculture, you have to have a practical approach of it. How can you have this practical approach of it? It's for you to invest more time approaching those that are already practicing. You understand? Don't say that because you are in school, you know it all. No, those that are practicing, like let's say those that run chicken now, they have the basic knowledge of the principle on how to take care of the chicken. What you have to do is to meet them time to time to learn more from them, because the more you learn from them, the more you have this knowledge. And when you come out, when you graduate, you will not look for a job. A lot of people read agriculture, and after they graduate, they start taking a certificate, going up and down looking for a job. No, there are jobs available for you if you know what you are doing. That's why when you are in the field, when you are studying agriculture, try to have the practical approach. Learn the practical approach. Meet people that can invest in you, that can teach you. You understand? That can teach you, and as you learn, you become perfect. And when you graduate, it will be very easy for you to secure a job. You will not look for a job, because job will be looking for you always. Because food is a daily necessity. You eat every day. People eat every day. Meaning, you can never look for food. You cannot never look for a job, because job will always come to look for you, because food is a daily necessity. So as a student studying agriculture, try to have the practical approach of your discipline. Most of our institutions will not teach you much on the practical approach, but once you on your own, you have to invest in yourself. Go for trainings, go for more trainings that can impact you and make it to be outstanding. One of the problems affecting Nigeria currently is food insecurity, increase in prices of agro commodities. So you as an agri student is a problem, and for you to solve that problem, you need to do more research. You understand? You need to do more innovational method. Gone are those days that you are using old pattern of farming. We have modern technologies. We have modern ways of farming. Now we have what we call hydroponics, that is soilless farming. We have what we call aeroponics. People are now growing crops without even soil. So as a student, they may not teach you all these things in your university. They may not teach you all these things them. That is why you need to invest on yourself. I am ready to teach you. If you are a student watching this video in any institution studying agriculture, comment below, because I'm willing to teach you everything you need to know. And out of my expertise, I'm ready to teach you. Comment below that you want to learn more about agriculture. And also, you need to have passion. Passion is very important. It's passion that drives you to learn more, to do more. I've done research. I've done a lot of research on agriculture, and this research has helped me. I'm an award-winning agro specialist. You understand? I've won different awards in the agro industry. I did not study agriculture, but the zeal I had for agriculture made me to go the extra mile. That means to succeed in to go the extra mile by doing more research. Understand? Most time you do research, people will think that what are you doing? But when you come out with your research, with your agro research, they are going to make millions of naira. Understand? Money will be looking for you. Like me now, using myself as an example. Now money is looking for me because a lot of people want to get the knowledge I've gotten because of the time I spent in research. Agriculture is a research-based discipline. It's a research-based industry. Research as a student to develop new things that can impact the agriculture, that can provide more food, that can make crops to grow more faster. Crops that is growing like 6 months. You can look for technologies that you can do, research you can do to make it instead of 6 months, can make it 3 months, and you are imparting life. And as an agriculturist, as you are imparting life, you are making money. As is rightly said, no food, no nation. No agriculturalist, no nation. All other fields rely on you as an agro specialist. Be you a doctor, be you an engineer, be you any field at all you can mention, they eat daily. that means you as an agri student, you as an agro entrepreneur, you are important in the society. So make good use of the knowledge you have acquired and discipline yourself to acquire more knowledge for us to sustain food security in the world as general and to sustain food security in Nigeria. I remain my humble self, Tabowe Brave Ibimobowe. If you have interest in agriculture, if you are a student of any institution studying agriculture and you want me to teach you, to put you through more things about the agriculture, you can comment below. You can reach me on my number 080-633-45443. Follow us on our social media platform to learn different aspects, learn new innovation in the agro industry. Till I come your way again, bye bye.